After 2 days na nag-shoot ko photos, nag-shoot ko videos. Yan, nakapoy ko. So paghapon, Lunes, splack ko, tulog. And then nag-try to edit, wala ko yung trabaho karon kay it's around almost 3. I woke up a bit late but nakoy nabuhat kagmay but kinahanglan ko mag-edit. So padung ko kaal din karon sa akong kauban doon na silingan and maghatag ko yung files kasi ang shoot na mo last Sunday na human. It was late but we got it done. Nag-video ko for him and wala siya. Also, I'm gonna return this to him because di na ako magamit. But either way, let's do this. So nindot kayong panahon karon bay 21 degrees pero kanang sunny ba. Murag tan-aw mo sa gawas murag init kayo pero bugno man ang hangin. So nindot kay siya mo nakanindot nga sa gawas ba kay kanang kita ang adlaw murag niinit kayo pero bugno siya wind chill ba. So muna siya and karon pa dong ko ilakaal din kay magkuan ko maghatag sa files and muna siya makasuya pero daghang buhatonon sa balay, daghang kog editonon, daghang kog trabahon. So ugma tingali init sa gayo but hopefully makaligo mig dagat or makalalaag mi ni Laura kay karon ka po yung Laura to mas Laura mora to. So, mura gyapon gibong ko man sa akong vlog pag abot sa balay nakatulog ko, nothing really much happened. Right now I'm trying to edit. It's around 2 a.m. So, yeah. Stress. G'day, bye. So, karon kay I'm gonna try to pack my stuff, show you some gear setup nga akong ginabuhat sa akong gamit. To give you some context of what I'm trying to do right now is that kanang naga-shoot ko kanang usa ka studio, naga-video ko, solo videographer. Usually ang videographer sa tuwa sa Pinas daghan man kayo mga maabot mga 5 ka tawo, 7, daghan kayo. So dire ang tulo daghan na siya, ang duha o kayo kera, usara. So muna sila minimal lang kada video ngari and yeah, it's different from ours. So I'll show you unsa akong setup sa akong gears. And I'll show you also a hack on what I did with my tripod. Kaya akong tripod, I bring 2 tripods. I have small tripods. I've been trying to kanang pack things in a small bag para di siya hassle ba mag-shoot ko wedding. Dali na ako makuha, dali na ako mabutang sa bag. And then when I move from location to location, madala na siya ako paspas kanang paspas na ba. Di ka magdalag tripod, magdalag lights ka sa pikas, daghang kang bit ba then mahitabo is either makapoy ka or makalimtan mo yung gamit. So yeah, we're trying to avoid that. This is what I'm trying to do now. So I'll show you my stuff. Ito ka no gamay karon bay, pero sige lang. So this is my main photography bag. It's a Think Tank Airport Advantage. It's thin, it's so light, it's rugged. It's been through a lot. Like look at that. But it's a pretty good bag. Highly recommend it. So muna siya ang vlog bag. Yep. And this is the bag I got. Na barato na siya. Pero akong trig setup na nanay duha ka bodies. Third body here and ang tripod here. So suksok na ng tripod ba. So na lang kagkuha. But I don't like it. I can't. The audio stuff will be in front and I don't trust these tripods here. So what I think I'm gonna sell this. That bag there is so heavy. Mura siya hard case Pelican. And this is my charging station. So ang bag is over there. So muna siya ang main bag. Muna siya ang Think Tank Logistics Manager. Dako kay siya. So it can fit almost all the gears here needed for solo videography. I'll put the lights here, which I'm using right now. This is the lights. You can put it in there. Yeah, V-mount battery for charging, so you can light it anywhere. And the good thing about this bag here is you can put the audio. I'll put muna ang audio gears na siya sa Peak Design stuff. So isuray close kung sa rakamot again wala ni nang tanong prepare aning a vlog, so this is just spur of the moment, so things happen. Yeah, so diri ang usa ka camera body, another body here, another body here. So 3 bodies, main body dire dire. And this is the telephoto with the FX3, lights, miscellaneous stuff like filters, and you put other stuffs here also, like the audio, some stuff, some LCD screens. So nakanilot ngayon nga bag kay akong tripod, which is the big one, the most favorite tripod, which is kanang di ka mahadlok patumbay mong camera gear. But it's this one here, it's the Manfrotto. Sakto ra gyud na siya diri bay. But the problem is you have to remove the head in order for you to fit this one here. So for this case, I remove the head. Gibutan akong head diri. So muna siya ang head. The head is composed of the Manfrotto HD 701DV. And gibutan na nakog kanang Arca quick release. Kay I'm using cages, so paspas siya mount. So good. Now the problem is, in order for you to put this on a tripod, you need to remove the tripod and then put that there. At the same time, kinahanglan sa dani mo nga kinahanglan sa dani mo nga i-tighten kadang mga screws sa ilalom. So kadang sabitang kailisod kayo, kadang screws sa ilalom is made up of tiny flathead. So yeah, if you have a flathead screwdriver, paspas ka makalock, but it's so tiny, nya magbagdali magugagod kay most of the times kung wedding mag-set up kasi mong gears, you go to the location, you go to one location at kag kadang kuan sa ceremony, set up ka kadali, and then after that move kag laing location, which is either photo shoot or mo kag kanang set up gani kanang sige na reception, wala ko sa utok, mo kag reception, mag-set up tabog ka, tagtangon na po yung tripod, magbitbit ka. Kung dagang ka gamit, na tendency nga kapuyon ka, na kay malimtan, hassle, niya. Wala pa mahuman kag shoot, malmal na kay ka. So you need to put it in one bag. So yeah, you need to put this quickly up here. So kani siya, lisod na kayo mag-lock kay magkuha pa screwdriver, say magdali ka, pag-isa pa kani. So I made a quick hack so that this will be easily locked here. Okay, kung di na siya ma-lock, what's gonna happen is this. So maggamit kasi mong camera, magpan ka. Yung mga matuyok, maluag, batang-tang, hagtak mong camera, dahil may tabo. So I'll show you the hack or the what modification I made. And it's easy. One sec. So ang hack nga akong buhaton na niya bay, kay ilisdanin ako siya kaning screw dire, kanang screw diha. Ako na siyang ilisdan, ugingon ani. Kuan. Ugingon ani. Kuan ni siya kanang kuan M5 nga screw niya. Kuan siya, gamitan siya Allen para mag-lock. So, gibutang na ako sa diri. This one there. And then, ako libutan sa likod. Tapos kung makatultol ko. Wala ko katultol. There you go. So, ang difference ani niya sa katong flathead na kuan lock, flathead na screw, is that pwede mo siya ma-finger tighten. So, the good thing about that is, yeah, you can just tighten it with your fingers. Kung magdali ka, paslak na nimo, tighten with your fingers, something na lang, libuhat, multitask ba. And it's strong. Hindi na siya matangtang. Mula ng paluagan na mo gamay. There you go. Remove na. Yep. So, easy hack. But yeah, the bottom line is, yeah, I can fit everything here. I can just bring this one bag, and it has big wheels. I'll show you the wheels. So even though I'm on grass, I'm on gravel, this bag works. Yep, that's it. So muna siya bay. To finalize, kani siya, mura ni mong ikonan, pahugtan na nimo siya, fingers ang gamiton. Kung gusto kayo mong tangtangon, paluagan na nimo gamay, tangtang na siya. Tangtang na siya. So mong pahugtag dako, or pahugtan sa makaya si mong tudlo, di na siya matangtang. Pero bottom line is, yeah, you can fit everything here. You can just remove this and put this back easy. Put them here. That's good. So muna atong main point makaron is you can fit everything in one bag. You can have all the cameras there, and you can move from one place to another with just one bag. This is the bag you need. I don't use a lot of lenses. And kuan sad, dagko sang siya ligid. So off-road man, nagraba, pasagbot, okay ra gini siya. Medyo bugatan siya ikarga, but yeah, it's better than having a lot of gears nga separate. Just one bag. Awesome. Mura siya. Sige. Thank you.